Welcome, food lovers, to our culinary journey through the bustling streets of China. Get ready to dive into a world of incredible flavors, aromas, and textures. Today, we're counting down the top 5 street food dishes you absolutely must try when you're exploring this vibrant country. From savory crepes to skewered meats and sweet treats, prepare to tantalize your taste buds and discover the diversity of Chinese cuisine. So let's grab some chopsticks and embark on this unforgettable food adventure together. Good morning, everyone, or should I say, Zhao Shang Hao. We're starting our culinary adventure with a beloved breakfast staple, Bing. Imagine a crispy, savory crepe made right before your eyes on a sizzling hot griddle. The aroma alone is enough to make your stomach rumble. A thin layer of batter is spread out, an egg is cracked on top, and then comes the magic. Depending on your preference, you can add a medley of fillings. From crunchy wonton crackers and tangy pickled vegetables to spicy chili sauce and rich hoisin, the combinations are endless. Each bite is an explosion of textures and flavors, leaving you wanting more. Whether you're rushing to work or taking a leisurely stroll, Bing is the perfect way to kickstart your day in China. It's a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of Chinese street food vendors. Next up, we're heading to the streets of northern China, where the air is thick with the smoky aroma of chuaner. These small skewers, usually featuring tender lamb, are a true delicacy. Marinated in a blend of cumin, chili flakes, and other secret spices, they're grilled to perfection over charcoal, creating a crispy exterior and a juicy interior. The variety of chuaner is astounding. From chicken hearts and gizzards to mushrooms and tofu skin, there's something for everyone. The skewers are often dipped in a blend of spices and chili flakes, adding an extra kick to every bite. As you savor the smoky flavors and the tender meat, you'll understand why chuaner holds a special place in the hearts of many Chinese people. It's the perfect food to enjoy with friends and family, creating a sense of warmth and togetherness. So, grab a handful of skewers, find a spot on a bustling street corner, and experience the magic of chuaner. Get ready to be amazed by shengjianbao, pan-fried soup dumplings that are a true testament to the artistry of Chinese cuisine. These little pockets of joy are crispy on the bottom, fluffy on top, and filled with a savory broth that will have you craving for more. The dough is carefully rolled out and filled with a mixture of pork, ginger, and scallions, along with a gelatinous broth that melts into a flavorful soup when steamed. The dumplings are then pan-fried to a golden brown, creating a delightful contrast between the crispy bottom and the soft, fluffy top. Eating shengjianbao is an art in itself. Be careful not to burn your mouth on the piping hot soup inside. The best way is to gently nibble a small hole in the dumpling and slurp up the flavorful broth before taking a bite of the entire dumpling. Each mouthful is an explosion of textures and flavors, a harmonious blend of savory, salty, and slightly sweet. Shengjianbao is a true culinary masterpiece, a must-try for any foodie visiting China. Next, we're traveling to Shanxi Province, home to the iconic Rujiamo, often referred to as the Chinese hamburger. Don't let the name fool you. This is no ordinary burger. Picture a flatbread, crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, stuffed with slow braised pork that's been cooked to perfection. The pork is marinated in a blend of spices, including star anise, cloves, and cinnamon, giving it a rich, aromatic flavor that's simply irresistible. As you take a bite, the crispy flatbread gives way to the tender, flavorful meat, creating a symphony of textures and tastes that will have you hooked. Rujiamo is a hearty and satisfying meal, perfect for a quick lunch or a delicious dinner. It's a testament to the culinary heritage of Shanxi Province and a must-try for anyone looking to experience the true flavors of China. No culinary journey through China is complete without a taste of tanghulu, candied fruits on a stick that are as beautiful to look at as they are delicious to eat. Imagine glistening ruby-red hawthorn berries, coated in a thin layer of hardened sugar syrup. The contrast between the tartness of the fruit and the sweetness of the sugar is simply divine. Tanghulu is a popular street food treat, especially during festivals and celebrations. As you bite into a tanghulu, the sugar cracks, revealing the juicy, tangy fruit inside. It's a delightful combination of textures and flavors, a sweet and satisfying end to our culinary adventure. From savory crepes and skewered meats to juicy dumplings and sweet treats, Chinese street food offers an incredible array of flavors and experiences. Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure through the streets of China. We hope you enjoyed discovering these incredible street food dishes and learned a thing or two about Chinese cuisine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food journeys around the world. We're always on the lookout for new and exciting culinary experiences to share with you. Which of these street foods are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating!